We got one. We get the money. We get the money. We get the moolah. We get the moolah. We get the peso. We get the peso. We get the netto. We get the netto. We get the skrilla. We get the skrilla. We hit the lotto. We hit the lotto. We get the bread.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just want to say thank you guys so much for staying tuned. Today's video is going to be how I achieved these voluminous curls. Okay, so I'm just going to jump right into it, you guys. So as you can see, I'm wrapping my hair around the flat iron as I go down. So basically I'm wrapping the hair in a downward motion. I'm putting my flat iron underneath the hair and wrapping it until I get towards the end, which is going to create a spiral effect with the curls. And not only that, in my own personal opinion, I feel like this motion gives your hair more volume. So if you guys like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also be sure to comment down below what other videos that you guys would like to see me create. I'm always open to creating different types of videos for you guys, so please make sure to leave a comment down in the comment box below. Also, this hair is from Queen Label Hair Collection, okay? And if you guys are wanting to purchase anything from that site, you are more than welcome to use my discount code PESOS, PESOS, to save some coins in your pocket, okay? So I'm just gonna stop talking and let you guys watch the rest of the video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and follow your girl on Instagram. Okay, so this is my final look as far as the curls. Now I'm just gonna spray a little hairspray on it. Alright, so I'm gonna take just a little oil shade and oil her up, you know, each side. Take my wax stick, flat iron. We'll get her flat as I possibly can. Hey guys, so I just wanted to drop in right before the video ended to just have a little time to appreciate all of the black-owned businesses that have supported me, all of the black-owned businesses who have reached out to me, all of the black-owned businesses who have given me the opportunity to work with them, alongside them, to review their products. I just want to say that I am thankful, and I really do appreciate the opportunity. If you guys haven't done anything recently to support your black-owned businesses, if there was any other time to support your black-owned businesses, now is the time, okay? So I really do encourage everyone to, you know, reach out and support your local black owned businesses. I just kind of wanted to give a little mini shout out to the couple of businesses who I've worked with in the past. One, KCB Cosmetics. Two, PRETEAFACE Cosmetics. Three, ICONIK Gold Hair Collection. Four, Queen Label Hair Collection, which is the hair that I'm doing right now. These bundles are from Queen Label Hair Collection. Also, you guys, don't forget, if you do shop for Queen Label Hair Collection, to use my discount code PESOS, pesos. Okay, so thank you guys again for watching my video. Also, reach out to your local black owned businesses and support. Okay,